and losing touch with all was real. Whole as a lover, keeping undercover, never knowing where you've been. You've been fading, always operating, keep in touch with mama kid. Well, you always got your tail on the wave, shooting fire from your mouth just like a gun. You act like a perpetual day. Better check it out for something soon. You have to find that way. It ain't easy living like you wanna. It's so hard to find peace of mind. Yes, it is. The way I see it, you got to say shit, but don't forget to drop me a line. Tell the phone there's a negativity. And right before you're done, it's just done. Still stuck your mouth in your dream. You better check it out for something soon. You have to find that on the keep it down, mama. Tell her where you're gonna be. Live on out your fantasy. Sleeping late and smoking tea. Keep it down, mama. Tell her where you're gonna be. Living out your fantasy. Sleeping late and smoking tea. Keeping up, mama, again. Tell her where you're gonna be. Live on out your fantasy. Sleeping late and smoking tea. Keep it tough, mama, again. I said, tell her where you're gonna be.
Я говорю по-русски.
Oh, so say something.
Сколько тебе лет?
Your language is different from Russian?
No, we speak Russian.
We speak Russian.
Happy that you visited us, and we're happy that you will have nice memories of
Да,
fun. We hope so.
я люблю вас.
Я говорю по-русски. Yes, it's all he knows. But the most
Как
important
твой зовут?
you should know.
Как твой зовут?
My Zavut, Lilia. Because Zawut in Polish means occupation. What is your profession?
Oh, really?
Not name, yes.
But why?
Zawut.
I always joking about Ruski jazyk. I'm asking my friends who doesn't know, who don't know Russian language. I ask, как твой зовут? And they say, I'm a programmer.
I'm a mechanic. Because they think, you know, it sounds like, what's your profession?
I started. Hold there or from me everywhere you want.
Yes, I allow you. I'm already recording. Scare her a bit. Natychmiastowy przypływ Świeżości. Let's go.
W Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w Trzcinie.
Oh!